Ethernet cables never come in the length you need, so let's make one. This is cable crimping. 3 minutes, 5 steps, no soldering. You need 4 things. A crimper, it cuts, strips, and crimps. RJ45 plugs, grab extras, everyone ruins one. The cable itself, CAT5 or CAT6. And a stripper, though the blade on your crimper will do. Step 1. Strip. Score the jacket about 25 millimeters from the end, just the jacket. Rotate twice, then slide the cut piece off. Inside, 4 twisted pairs. 8 wires. Check them. If you nicked one, cut it clean and start over. Seriously. Step 2. Order. Untwist each pair and straighten every wire. Now arrange them. White-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. That's T568B, the standard. Same order on both ends. Take your time here. This order is the whole game. Hold the plug with the clip facing down. Pin 1 is on the left. Step 3. Trim. One straight cut about 13 millimeters from the jacket. Even tips grip evenly. And leave the insulation on. The plug strips nothing. Step 4. Insert. Feed the wires in, keeping that order. Push until every wire hits the end wall. You should see color at the tip. And the jacket itself sits past the strain latch, not just the wires. Then look through the plug and check the order one last time. Step 5. Crimp. Into the tool and squeeze hard all the way until it stops. Inside, each gold pin bites through the insulation into the copper. That bite is the connection. No bare wire, ever. Now prove it. Plug both ends into a tester. All 8 lights in order. That's a solid link. Strip. Order. Trim. Insert. Crimp. Crimped.